fluidly, right? Move like fluid, all right? And then the next one is earth. So that's it's percussive and it's stopping and starting. 1, 2, 1, 2, yes, no, no, stop. A lot about boundaries. It's really good to, if you're having boundary issues, to have that, earth rhythm, solid, right? Fire, shaking, vibrating, erratic. So you can just do it like this kind of thing, right?
It does like that.
What?
It does like that.
Uh-huh. And then air is like you just float and bounce, very airy and free. And then stillness, which is like you're in slow motion and very calm and centered. In sound, it would go something like this, like a fluid sound would be percussive sound would be ha ba ti ta ba ti na ba ta 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 ba ta 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 ta. Chaotic sound would be ha ba ti ta ba ba ta ba he ta he mo ta ba ta ta ti o me ta wa ta 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 ba ti o ti wa ni wa ti ta ti ya ta ta. And then it naturally goes into hair. Ha ba ta he ta ma he ya ha ti ha ya ho ya he ya he. Right? And stillness. Right? So, amazing stuff to know. Do you want to do the? Do you want to just demonstrate a little bit the walking in and out exercise?